So guys, I'm in our outside of our house because it was so my first intentions. So they said, "Where is the Halloween update from the Cookie in Hell? Are you ready for that remind?" But it was not remind for you because I have more friends today. So I can get two friends that they cook in our original stage. This was an opportunity. Hell of this for me. Let's go for the horror explore. They only repeat. Okay, ready? Let's play. Welcome to the first horror explore. You know, let's start the horror motivation our class. This was the our moving unheard story inside Biblia Explore. Now what will be the way that I do is the our school. You know, our school was ano lang siya. Masaya, magtatagalog na ako. Ang school namin ay may kwento sementeryo to, pero hindi talaga siya sementeryo. Sinasabi lang talaga siya na sementeryo, pero hindi ito sementeryo. Kundi ito ay merong World War. Sa tuwing World War, meron siyang mga sundalo nakalagay, kaya doon sa nabaon, tabunan ng mga mga lupa, kaya hindi na siya nakikita. Yun ang mga sinasabi nila. Pero alam nyo ba, totoo nga ba ang horror sa amin? Nagkikwento ko sa inyo. Horror Explorer.